Oh, okay. So, what's up, guys? Cody. It is the 29th of June. I gotta wait. I'm gonna be a sweet, short, and whatever the fuck you want to call it. Um, it's about the market. Today's video is gonna be about the market conditions. Hold on, let me light this candle because it. I'm trying to make it smell fresh in here. Hold on. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. Banging. All right. So, as you may or may not know, the market took a shit today, like it always does. And as you may or may not know, you can always make money in any condition of the market, whether it is a bullish, meaning it's a good market, which we've been in for the past 5-ish years. I don't know why people keep saying it's so stupid. Like, oh, this is because of the economy. To me, I mean, unemployment back from the toilet flush that happened back in '08, unemployment's been cut in half, ever since the, day, pretty much since March 11th, 2009, everything has been doing pretty well. Yeah, I mean, 68-ish dollars, and now it's at 205. I think there's going to be another, not recession, correction, like you see right here. Another correction coming up soon. Mainly fueled by Greece, them being fiscally retarded. I don't know why people keep loaning them money. It's like loaning your meth head cousin money because he says he's going to improve himself or whatever, and he just buys fucking pounds of meth and he doesn't pay it back, and then you just keep feeding him money. It's like saying, all right, your sewage blew up in your house. What are you going to do about it? And the sewage keeps spilling, so you just get fucking shit piling up in your house. Are you going to try and stop it, or are you just going to raise the roof? What these lenders are doing with Greece is they're raising the roof. Greece isn't going to pay shit. They give too many holidays out to their employees. They're just fiscally retarded. And I really hope on Sunday that they boot themselves out of the European Union. I hope that happens. Please, they are nothing but a burden to the euro. Let's take a look at the euro right now. It is one of the beauties about currencies. It trades 24 hours a day. Alright. What are they at right now? $1.11. Okay, so they actually did decent compared to yesterday, I believe, where they were down to like 109 or something like that. If my fucking computer can load. Am I pinging something right now? No? Alright, well, I don't know why it's not loading. I'm connected real time. Sorry about this. This is one of the perks of having wireless internet. System, let's do, well, I mean, I guess we could do a 15-second lag because there's absolutely no need to stream. Okay, well, this is kind of bullshit. So, the market, this week, let's see if we can even load the SPX. Well, I feel retarded now because there we go. Alright, so actually let me load up, my bad, the SPY. My bad. SPY. How's everyone's day doing? Or fuck, yeah, how's everyone's day going? Okay, here we go, the tradable ETF. So there's gonna be one or two things that are gonna happen, and it's all going to depend on tomorrow's trading session. I'm really looking forward to it because as myself, a trader, I can make money in any market. Like I said, I can buy puts, I can buy calls. It doesn't matter. Today, I fucking spanked the markets. I did really good. I was in at 45 on a 207 put, and now it is down to 205.42. So I bought in when it was like 45, and I sold right before the end of the day. I had 3 contracts. It's not 170, and I believe I sold at 150. That's my like benchmark that I sold at. I like to sell everything at a resistance or support level, like a 150 or a 1 or whatever. So 150, I pretty much my benchmark, and I did pretty good. It was 120, 115, $115 profit a contract. So it was like $345 I made today. So what I noticed on the long-term chart, let's look at the yearly chart. It is bouncing right off my 200-day moving. You can see right here this blue line. Moving average is just the average price at this time throughout 200 days, I guess. So when it's under, it means the market's doing good. When it's above, it means the market's doing bad. So it and the price usually likes to fluctuate off these moving averages. We can open up my daily chart. You can see that my 50-day moving average is for the intraday trading. So prices fluctuate, bounce off my 50-day, which is good. I like that. But for my long-term, outlook, I look at my 200, and I hope to God I don't ever have to use my 500 moving average, which is this gray one that you see right here. So if tomorrow, if the market bounces, if the SPY bounces off this 205 support, I'm still a bull, so it's going to recover. But that's not given the news that comes out of Greece Sunday. And I hope to God I'm going to load up on puts so much. I'm not even, like, my trading strategy, if you guys don't know, is for every 3 I buy one of the exact opposite. So if I buy 3 puts, I would buy 1 call at the same strike, just as a safety net, so I don't lose my entire investment. But if Greece comes out saying that they're going to their own currency, you best better believe my bitch ass is gonna be deep in them puts. And when I mean deep in them puts, I'm gonna fucking jam them all into one. I'm just playing. So yeah, and if it breaks this, this 200-day, bye-bye. It's gonna be a bloodbath. And I see right here, I noticed this back before the year ended, is this triple bottom pattern I see right here. That is a huge support level down at 197. I watched that like a hawk when this year came in. It's like, oh man, it's gonna break, and it's gonna be another correction or whatever. But it bounced right off it, which is cool. But I'm hoping I get that opportunity back to short the fuck out of SPY. I hope it breaks this 205 support. I hope it breaks my 200-day, and I hope it breaks this 197, because now we're hitting correctional territory down here. And we also got support levels right in here. Let me actually delete all these. There's too many. Remove all drawings. Yes. Okay. Bingo. So correctional territory down here. We got triple bottom right here, and we got some more support right here. Ooh! I'm getting fucking antsy at this support up here. This is gonna be a bloodbath. Right at 204. You guys know. You guys know. I'm gonna be deep in them puts. I'm just gonna jam my fucking capital. This is the put. I'm just gonna jam it right in them puts. If it breaks that support, it's gonna be fun, guys. I'm gonna make so much money, and you guys are just gonna fucking hate it. Unless you know what you're doing. Unless you know what you're doing, you shouldn't be worried. If you fucking download the Acorns app and think you're an investor, have fun. You're gonna just lose your entire portfolio. It's gonna be so funny. I used Acorns for a little bit, just a tiny bit, and then I realized, well, this is horseshit. I used to put in $200 a week into it, and I thought, oh, maybe this is a cool way to save money. It's cool to save money, but to think that you're actually going to make like some sort of gains or returns off of it, it's like they give you like a cool little pie chart that says, oh, this is where your money's going, and then it gives you like a growth. It's like, oh, if you put in $200 a week or $400 a month, something like that, and then it has like a little drag scale, and you can see how much you're gonna have in 30 years. That's all speculation. I mean, the market does what the market does, and when shit like this happens, you can't predict it, especially when a country in the European Union is on the brink of default. They shouldn't have been in the union in the first place. Piece of shit country. I'm going to be a real estate investor, and I'm thinking about expanding out to Greece. Their currency, whatever the fuck it's called, like the Diosh or the douche, I don't know. And it's gonna be super cheap. The housing gonna be super cheap, and then, you know, Greece, who knows how they're gonna do. And yeah. And then my next video, I'm gonna be talking about the split in Netflix. I think it's Netflix or Tesla. Let's see, Netflix. That's another thing. Stay away from Netflix right now. Hold on, they're doing shitty today too. That's my next video.